Hello, Namaskar and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at all the latest releases. Today we will take a look at the big film that has been awaited for a long time now, and that is Pathaan. Pathaan is Shah Rukh Khan's first film in 4 years. The last time we saw the charming actor was in Zero in 2018, and it's been a while since we saw him in a lead role of a commendable film. His charm is very much intact in Pathaan, a spy thriller on the lines of Tiger Zinda Hai, and Yash Raj seems to be creating its own spyverse with Kabir also from the movie War. The problem with Pathaan is the story. While Tiger managed to sail through, these Bollywood spy films look so derivative, like a poor cousin of Jason Bourne and James Bond. When it comes to the action, we just can't seem to pull it off unless it's the great S.S. Rajamouli and his bag of superior tricks in RRR. Take the fight scene aboard a train in Pathaan. The action is pretty pedestrian. Now Buster Keaton's The General, which was made back in 1926, did it so much better, and that was almost a century ago. And this sequence is not even a patch on that great train scene in Sholay, which was back in 1975. What this scene has though is SRK and a cameo from Salman, which is fun to watch, but it's all mostly fluff. The action scenes look like a video game here, and the special effects are not exactly tacky, but they are not convincing either. Even in the car chase scene, they got a red color car like Edgar Wright's Baby Driver, but the similarities end there. While Wright filmed one of the greatest car chases and allowed the scenes to run by not cutting them quickly, the frantic music video kind of editing here in Pathaan makes the action look very artificial. Shah Rukh Khan plays the lead role of Pathaan, an ex-army man turned undercover agent who can dodge bullets and annihilate a dozen men single-handedly. Also, he is the most patriotic man on either side of the Arabian Sea. Now, after the Indian government revoked Article 370, a Pakistani general goes into a tizzy and decides to teach India a lesson. They hire a former Indian spy, whose name is Jim, and that's played by John Abraham, who wants to settle scores with his motherland. He says money is not his motivation, but yet he wants his money before executing the final job. The glamour and the other spy quotient are fulfilled by Rubina, that's played by Deepika Padukone, who is similar to Katrina Kaif in Tiger. Now she is a Pakistani ISI agent whose loyalty is always questioned. Dimple Kapadia plays the boss who treats Pathaan like her son, while Ashutosh Rana plays her boss. Now all the characters tick the standard boxes here. Jim, meanwhile, has something called Rakht Bij, a biological weapon that can kill everyone in a city in minutes, and he intends to start the proceedings with Delhi. Logic has absolutely no place here, and there is no effort or attempt to put some of it either. Being a spy thriller, the action keeps shifting to different parts of the world, from Spain to Russia and Afghanistan. In Moscow, Pathaan and Rubina have to steal something from the most secured vault in the world. Now, instead of it being a tense action scene, it looks more like a parody. Also, it is not the scene itself, but the idea of it which is silly. In the climax, Jim is about to achieve his mission of spreading the virus. Then he shows the detonator and tells Pathaan, unless you can lay your hands on this detonator. Now, clearly he is not the brightest bulb in the chandelier. Pathaan manages to outwit him and steals the detonator, and it reminded me of Rajkumar removing the fuses from the missiles which are to be launched by a villain named Pralayanath Gendaswamy in a film called Tiranga, which released back in 1992. Amusingly, it is the comedy scenes that work better than anything else in Pathaan. Like Shah Rukh Khan singing his old hit in the middle of something very serious, or asking Tiger for a painkiller. The film also treads very carefully, and while it is in full patriotic mode, thankfully it steers clear of jingoism. While his name is Pathaan, there is no backstory about him as yet. "Tum Musalman ho?" Rubina asks him, to which he says he doesn't know about his parents and he has been serving his country like it is his mother. Now we could all learn a thing or two from his reply. Shah Rukh Khan is in terrific form here. His expressions are well measured, especially in the more serious scenes. Deepika Padukone as the femme fatale of sorts fits the bill. Shah Rukh Khan fans will love this film. As for the rest, it might fall short of your expectations if you have any. I'm going to go with 2.5 stars for Pathaan. It's old wine in new bottle. Well, that's what I thought of Shah Rukh Khan's Pathaan, which released this week. Let us know what you think. Do write into us. Our address is features@prudentmedia.in. And I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.